Hey, today I'm going to show you how Chum works. This is a great tool to collaborate with the tools to increase the productivity about like 200%. So let's start. All you have to do is start with the sign in. All right. Once you click on login, you put in your username, password, click on I'm not a robot, sign in. Now, this will get you to the dashboard where you jump into the integrations. And we'll start with the Slack integration. All right. There are more tools that you can connect, but let's start with the Slack. So, once you click on Slack, it will ask for the permissions. You click on allow, and then um, yeah, we're in. It will ask you to go for yeah, once we jump on the Slack, here we can see the chum is already there. Hey Zain, I'm Chummate and I can assist with things like checking your Google Calendar and stuff like that. So I just want to integrate my Google account. Can you help me start Chum? Okay, and let's see what it does. Now, let me share this with you. This is just a toddler for now. All right, this is not trained AI, so we have got to get it trained according to your needs. So it will be going to take some time at the beginning to figure out things on its own. So yeah, here we are. Uh, let's see what it does now because our Google account is not integrated yet. So it shared a link with us saying I'd be happy to help you with integrate and authorize and all that. So I clicked on that link. Here we are. We okay. We continue. All right. And okay, all the permissions that I'm giving will select all with the Google Calendar, Gmail, everything. All right, and here we are. I think we are connected with our Google as well. So now Slack, Google, and our Chum are like all connected together. So let me tell Chum, like I successfully clicked and set up, enable the integration. So can you confirm my Google link status? Also, now that my account is like linked, how exactly can you help me? Uh, Trump. So it's taking some time to figure out like what it is supposed to do when I'm asking these questions. Once it's trained, it knows what to answer, when to answer, and how much to answer. It will be, going to help us out on clicks right away. So okay, great. I've confirmed that your Google account is successfully linked and ready to use. Now that you're connected, I can help you with managing your Google Calendar, sending and replying to emails with Gmail, searching the internet information, accessing and managing Google Sheets or Docs, fetching Slack conversation history, and more, like summarizing content and finding files. What would you like me to do first? Okay, let's see what I need to do. So, Chum, help me to find uh, a suitable meeting slot with my friend whose email is xyz@gmail.com. It's my friend Abu Zor. So I'm just putting his email here. Okay. Now it's finding the slots for me and Abuzar together to get on that calendar. So searching slots on his calendar and mine as well, both. So yeah, uh, it's taking some time. So while it's looking for the slots available, let me tell you something about Chum. Chum is a tool where you can integrate as many tools as you want. All right, all of your tools that you use at work for your business, so that they can all collaborate together and make your work